We'll swap the Boneshaker with me to turn it from this to this. We will use the wheels off of the Volkswagen drag bus from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles series. First, we need to take both cars apart. I already drilled these out before the video. Now we need to take out the wheels. The wheels on the drag bus are harder to remove, so I use the saw to make it faster, but you can use clippers as well. The front axle fits fine, but we will need to swap the rear axle as well. And now we can put it all back together to get the final results. And just like that, we are done. Enjoy your custom wheel-swapped Boneshaker treasure hunt. Make sure to like and follow for more.